Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus name. Alright, so today I want to show you a very nice diminished passing chord. Right, I'll be in the key of F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Right, let's use this song. In tree passing. So this blessed three, then T. Right. Tree passing, blessed tree. Now we're gonna have to feature my wife in some of the future videos. For people who will be saying, he doesn't sing well, don't worry. Yeah, God perfected that. He gave my wife the voice. He gave me the keys and gave my wife the voice. So once you see her on the video, whoo, the singing is gonna be cool. God bless you. All right. So welcome back to my channel. God bless you. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. So let me quickly show you this. Pick your pen and paper to write. Pen and book whatsoever to write. I mean, yeah. So I don't want to get comments like it's nothing is fast when I'm calling notes that you should be writing. Right. God bless you. So this song, I'm just teaching you this, but you can use this on any of the other songs. So 6 in 3 pair 4, then 6, a major 6, then to 2. Bless. Now hold it right there. Now this diminished chord, this particular diminished chord movement is actually used when you are going from 6 to 2, like this. Most especially major 6 to 2, major 6. Right. So you use this this set of chords. So let me show you two variations. I'm going to show you this one. Bless or blessed. So you can use it for this song also. El Shaddai, El Shaddai, Elohim and Okay, so let me show you. So what am I playing? So the left hand goes D. That's your 6 to your 7, E, then to F sharp, then of course to your landing point, which is G. But the right hand goes A diminished 7 chord, which is A, C. So I will just call the notes: A, C, E flat and F sharp, A, C, E flat and F sharp to B flat, C sharp, E and G, then to the next chord, which is C, E flat, F sharp and A, then to the last chord, which is A, F. Sorry, that's not A. Come on. D, F, D for dial, D, F, G and B flat. Right, so we have the second variation is before I show you the second variation, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, please you should get that. It's on my seller store. You can find the link on the about section of the channel. Please get it. And I also have many other piano courses, standard piano course. Some of you sometimes ask for the virtual keys and stuff like that. I have them on my piano course, so you should get them because you learn a lot. You get value for money. Value for money. Yeah, you get that. They are global standard piano lessons, right? And I taught everything. Trust me. All right. So now let me show you the second one. You can get directly from me. Also check the price on the store. Right? Or this one was used in this Marvin Sapp song. There's this song. Praise him in advance. Yeah, that was in key of C sharp. Right. So this was used. Yeah, I can't really place the part now, but it was definitely used. So this one, the second one, the bass line goes 6, 4, 3, then to 2. So 6, 4, 3, 2. So 6, that's your D, your 4 B flat, of course your 3 A, then your 2, that's a G. So the so this time around you use this set of diminished chord. Still the A diminished 7 chord. You still use that for your 6. Then you use a C sharp diminished 7 chord for your 4. C diminished 7 chord for your 3. Then the landing chord, which is we have what chord is this? That's okay, B flat minor. Okay, that's sorry, that's D, F, G, and B flat. Okay, so you can always do that. So from verse 6 to 2, that's when you use this diminished chord. So thank you. Subscribe to the channel for more. God bless you. Bye.